The fuck is this? Package. Alright. Oh. Hey, Ma. Got you you got a package here, mate.
What the fuck are you doing here?
Fucking coming around, mate. I don't know.
How'd you get in?
Got keys. You gave me them. Don't you remember?
I do now.
What is this?
They possibly could be the drones.
Ooh.
Just doing some knife maintenance, mate.
Right.
Trying to take that bowl of fruit away, you fucking bowl of fruit.
Look at the happy puppy.
The hell?
Fruit. There goes his hand. That's one finger missing. That's 2 fingers missing.
This will disembowel you. Oh, we got a box inside a box.
Oh,
Temu, I believe.
interesting.
I believe. What the hell?
What have you bloody ordered this time?
What the hell is that? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have no idea what this is. I really don't. Oh, hang on. Fucking come any closer. Oh, hello. A box inside a box inside a box. Oh. Well, there it is.
Oh, jeez.
Look, as usual from Temu.
Nice and
Perfectly
crushed.
packaged.
Loved it.
Absolutely perfect. Look at that. Armed helicopter. See? Incorrect, correct. Ages 6 and up, we're fucked. That's number 1. What have they... Hang on. What's going on here, dude? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What the fuck me? Oh, sure as shit. Alright.
Another.
Oh, look at that's fucked.
Oh, God.
That box is wrecked. Not as good as that one. No, that one. I have to speed this up a bit. Because I think they're all the same. Believe it or not, because I think I did buy... Oh, that's the other one. That's a different one.
Oh, that's a different one.
That's the other coloured one. What the fucking... What's Temu
Right.
done here? What did I get? Fucking hell, nearly took my eyebrow off. Oh, here we go. Another box inside a box and... Get the fucking... Ah. Box inside a box. Oh, 3. How many did I buy? What was that? 3, 4, 5, 6. I thought I only bought 5 this time and... I don't know. Obviously it's going to be the same. Well, I fucking hope so. Fucking...
Another.
Perfect. What's that? Alright. I want to know what's in that fucker. I want to know what's in that big boy there. That big girl.
Yeah, what the hell have you ordered there? Jesus.
I know, dude. You know me, dude. I do a lot of drunken Temu purchases online. I wake up the next day and go, what the fuck did I order? What's that? How many is that? It's 5.
5 of the same and 1 different one.
We got to get another 5 for the playoff. Here we go.
Now what the hell have you got?
don't sound too good.
Nicely packaged. Like it. Like the
Brilliantly, like that already came pre-squashed, obviously. Look at that too. Pre-squashed. Pre-squashed, you have to have a little open up. Open up, you cunt. Yeah, you better. Oh shit. Oh, that could have. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Oh Jesus.
They're the 100 cards I bought. Remember you said don't buy the fucking extra
remember.
package? Oh, they all do that. Wow. Like, there can't be 100 different types. Could there possibly be? Like, mate, these are going to be collector's items in 1,000 years. Can you just be a little bit with the merch, mate? Like, if you have a look over there, where am I going to put them? I can put them. I've got a couple of free racks there. There's 100 of the fuckers.
You've got no room.
What about over here?
Absolutely no room.
If I fucking clear the knives out, right, I could put the cats there, I suppose.
I mean, you could put stuff up the top there.
Hang on, let me open the fucking curtain. I can see. Put where?
Up the top there.
Oh, fucking now, they just fucking get the dust up there. What about this kind of thing here?
That would work.
Stick
them all on the
I
shelf.
still haven't put all the stuff on the wall yet. Fuck me. Alright. Well, that was the unboxing for Temu. This one, I didn't. Oh, I don't know. Alright. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, please.
And if you don't want to, then whatever.
What the fuck?